Hello, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'll say that again. Hello, it's How To Not To, and in today's video I will be reviewing budget headphones bought from Amazon for £15. These are the Sony stereo foldable headphones that come in metallic black. The model is MDR-ZX310. I will leave a link in the description box below if you want to grab yourself a pair. They do come in other colours as well, metallic red, blue and white. They are wired headphones, which I like. They're more reliable than the wireless headphones, as you don't have to wait for them to charge. But are they as good as the more expensive headphones? Well, let's get them out of the packaging to find out. I always find it very difficult trying to get headphones out of their packaging, especially if they're wired headphones. You have to be extra careful not to damage the wire. Okay, almost there. They look stylish and you can flatten them when not in use. So let's remove the back. And there we have the cable and the instructions. The cable length is 1.2 meters. They will connect easily to your mobile or laptop via the 3.5 jack plug. The cable is a bit thicker than your average in-ear headphones. I like the flat cord as it prevents it from tangling. Not sure how long they will last. I suppose it depends on how well you treat them. If you look after them, then they should last you quite a long time. I mean, I have had cheap headphones last for years and years. That was until I borrowed them to my nephew who messed them up. So I did sellotape them back together, and guess what? They still work. These cost around £9.99 and that's the brand along there. These will be my backup pair of headphones. Okay, let's get this out. The headband is not made of good quality material, doesn't feel durable like other headphones I've owned in the past, but they can be adjusted by pulling here and they should fit an average size head. The outside looks okay. It has the Sony logo with the metallic black finish, but they easily leave fingerprints on the side, on the outside of the earpiece. This is the headphones after 3 weeks of wearing them. That's just a little factor to take into account. Actually, I think they could do it with a good clean. Did I mention that the earpiece is foldable? And they are padded with leather effect padding. As you can see, the bit in the middle is exposed, making it look a bit cheap. It would have been better to have more coverage with more padding there. So I wanted small earpiece that sit on the ear. Not a fan of the over-the-ear headphones, as they tend to get uncomfortable after wearing them for a while. They have a swivel cups, convenient to transport once flat, and a foldable design for easy portability. These sit on the ear and they are very lightweight, so I guess you can wear them longer. The earpiece can be pulled out slightly, but I'm not sure what the purpose of that is, as it doesn't hold like that when you wear them again. There you have the letters R and L, which is just visible on one side of the headphones, not the other side. So that's the headband fully adjusted, and there you can see an indent along the inside of the headband at the top. Yeah, you should sit comfortable on your head. Also ideal for kids to wear as well, or if you have a smaller head. The product dimensions are 15 by 5 by 20 centimeters and they weigh about 125 grams. It has enough cable wire as well, and as I mentioned before, they are tangle free. It's a Y shape cord. Okay, I'm now going to test the sound quality. So let me So let me just log in. I'm going to play a video to test the noise volume. Just excuse the dust there. The volume is set at 45 on my laptop, which is very high. I wouldn't normally have it this high. I just wanted you to hear the sound coming out of the headphones. So these headphones will not block out noise coming from the headphones. They're not designed for that. They're not noise cancelling headphones or anything like that. However, when you do turn the volume down, you won't be able to hear the sound coming from the headphones if you're standing nearby. But you can, if you turn the volume up, you will be able to hear the noise coming from the headphones. So just beware of that. It has 30mm ferrite drivers for powerful balanced sound, between 10 and 24 Hz frequency range. We're now going to put the headphones on. Just going to turn the volume down a bit as it's just a bit too loud. So there is my nephew trying out the headphones. What does he think of them?
That's good.
They sit comfortably on his head. He didn't have any problems wearing them all day. He said they were comfortable, so that's good to know.
That's good.
So to summarise, for an everyday headphone, these are great to wear. The earpiece are not too big. They sit comfortably on my head, which is about 21.5 circumference, so would also be great for kids to use as well. They look stylish and lightweight. The earpiece can easily fold away, look even using one hand. The cons: the sound quality is decent but lacks some bass, to be honest. So if I'm going to listen to music, I would like a bit more bass to the sound. You do also have to turn the volume up a bit to get a decent sound coming out from them. So personally, for me, they are nice to have around as a backup headphones, but are great for kids. Yeah, the other negatives are the noise cancelling. They're not noise cancelling headphones, but I knew that anyway before I bought them, especially for the price of £15. You're not going to get noise cancelling headphones for that price. Yeah. You get what you pay for, really. Overall, they are pretty good headphones for everyday use, and they are inexpensive as well, so that's a plus, really. So that's it. This has been How to Not To, giving you an honest review on the Sony MDR-ZX310 headphones. So there you go. Please leave any comments below, and if you found this video useful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.